Hello everyone, my name is Adnan Jaffrey and welcome to yet another video from Hear Me Out. And this video is going to be a short one. What makes your business so special? To talk to you all about that, we are starting right now. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that and hit the bell so that you keep hearing more and more stuff from us. Crafting a unique selling proposition makes your business leverage to a whole new level. Now, in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about three major and popular USPs. The first one, Domino's. Domino's is a pizza franchise. When they were starting off, they had a lot on its plate. The competition was killing it. So Domino's people thought that crafting a USP would save them. And they were right. They came up with a USP and it says, and I quote, "We serve and deliver oven-hot fresh pizzas at your doorstep within 30 minutes, or else it goes for free." The 30-minute window is what makes Domino's so special. The second company I'm going to talk to you about is M&M, the chocolate brand we all love. M&M says that it melts in your mouth, not in your hands. The company focuses on quality as their USP. The third company in discussion today is Nike. Nike believes that everyone can be an athlete. Everyone can jog, run. Now, this belief has made Nike what it is today. Crafting a USP that is different can be very challenging. Let me know in the comments below if you can do that for your company. Please hit this like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.